Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI, the fun way with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for today's lesson we have two people that needed something translated, and those people are Jossiah and Daniel. Daniel, Jossiah, thanks again for your continued support, and these are the things that they wanted to know. So the very first person that needed to know something was Jossiah. Jossiah, thanks again for your support, and these are the things that Jossiah wanted. The very first thing that Jossiah wanted to know was, I will teach you a lesson you will never forget. Again, I will teach you a lesson you will never forget, and that in TWI can be said as Mɛkyerɛ nyansa werɛ. One last time. Mɛkyerɛ nyansa werɛ. Very, very slow. Mɛkyerɛ nyansa werɛ. Jossiah, I hope that was slow enough. The next thing Jossiah wanted to know was, what good can come of this? Again, what good can come of this? Now that in TWI can be said as Adepa 𝘸𝘢𝘓𝘵 𝘸𝘢𝘵. Again, Adepa 𝘸𝘢𝘓𝘵. One last time. Adepa 𝘸𝘢𝘓𝘵. Slower. Adepa 𝘸𝘢𝘓𝘵. The next thing that Jossiah wanted to know was, don't waste my time. Again, don't waste my time, and that in TWI can be said as 𝘧𝘰𝘰𝘰𝘥. Again, 𝘧𝘰𝘰𝘰𝘥. One last time. 𝘧𝘰𝘰𝘰𝘥. Slower. 𝘧𝘰𝘰𝘰𝘥. The next thing that Jossiah wanted to know was, what have I done to deserve this treatment? Guys, sorry, the sun is literally shining over here, so if I'm brighter than usual, sorry for that. Again, what have I done to deserve this treatment? Now that in TWI can be said as 𝘸𝘢𝘪𝘴𝘵𝘦. Slower. 𝘸𝘢𝘪𝘴𝘵𝘦. One last time. 𝘸𝘢𝘪𝘴𝘵𝘦. The next thing that Jossiah wanted to know was, Father in heaven, have mercy on me. Again, Father in heaven, have mercy on me. Now that in TWI can be said as 𝘠𝘢𝘴𝘵𝘦. Again, 𝘠𝘢𝘴𝘵𝘦. Agya is Father. 𝘠𝘢𝘴𝘵 is who is in heaven or who is above. 𝘠𝘦𝘴𝘵 is have mercy on me. Again, 𝘠𝘢𝘴𝘵𝘦. The next thing that Jossiah wanted to know was, your eyes are deceiving you. Again, your eyes are deceiving you. Now that in TWI can be said as 𝘠𝘦𝘪𝘴𝘷𝘦. Again, 𝘠𝘦𝘪𝘴𝘷𝘦. One last time. 𝘠𝘦𝘪𝘴𝘷𝘦. 𝘠𝘦 is your eyes. 𝘪𝘴𝘷𝘦 is deceiving. Who is you? You can also say 𝘠𝘦𝘪𝘴𝘷𝘦. You don't have to put the red there. 𝘠𝘦𝘪𝘴𝘷𝘦. Or you can say 𝘠𝘦𝘪𝘴𝘷𝘦. Now the last thing that Jossiah wanted to know was, you wait and see. Again, you wait and see. Now that in TWI can be said as 𝘠𝘦𝘢𝘪𝘴. Again, 𝘠𝘦𝘢𝘪𝘴. One last time. 𝘠𝘦𝘢𝘪𝘴. Slower. 𝘠𝘦𝘢𝘪𝘴. Jossiah, thanks again for your continued support. I truly appreciate it. Now the next person that needed something translated was Daniel. Daniel, thanks again for your support. And these are the things that Daniel wanted to know. The very first thing that Daniel wanted to know was, in any case. Again, in any case. In any case can be said in relatively two ways. Guys, sorry again, I'm sitting outside. So there's planes, there's gates, there are people talking, and there's a lot of noise around me, so sorry for that, right? And these are the two ways that you can say in any case in TWI. The first way is emu biara. Again, emu biara. One last time, slower. Emu biara. Again, emu biara. Now the second way one can actually say in any case is sesadia. Again, sesadia. One last time, sesadia. Again, slowly, sesadia. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, I feel weak. Again, I feel weak. And that again in TWI can relatively be said in two ways. Now these two ways are mmerɛ. Again, mmerɛ. Slower, mmerɛ. One last time, mmerɛ. Now the second way one can actually say that is mahujo. Again, mahujo. One last time, mahujo. Slower, mahujo. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, it's frustrating. Again, it's frustrating. Now that in Twi can be said as Eya bufu. Again, Eya bufu. Slower. Eya bufu. Very, very slow. Eya bufu. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, why are guys talking about me like that? Again, why are guys talking about me like that? Now that in Twi can be said as Adentina nkrofo reka me ho asem sa. Again, Adentina nkrofo reka me ho asem sa. Slower. Adentina nkrofo reka me ho asem sa. Very, very slow. Adentina is how come or why. Nkrofo, people. Reka, talking. Me ho asem, about me. Sa, basically like that. So again, adentina nkrofo reka me ho asem sa. Again, adentina nkrofo reka me ho asem sa. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, is that your concern? Again, is that your concern? Now that in Twi can be said as 𝘍𝘢𝘊. Again, 𝘍𝘢𝘊. One last time, 𝘍𝘢𝘊. Slower, 𝘍𝘢𝘊. Or you can say 𝘍𝘢𝘊. So you can say 𝘍𝘢𝘊 or 𝘍𝘢𝘊, whichever one works. So again, 𝘍𝘢𝘊 or 𝘍𝘢𝘊. The last thing that Daniel wanted to know was, it doesn't concern you. Again, it doesn't concern you. Now that in Twi can be said as 𝘠𝑚fa. Again, 𝘠𝑚fa. Slower, 𝘠𝑚fa. Very, very slow. 𝘠𝑚fa. Daniel, I hope that was helpful. Thanks again for everyone. Thanks again for your support. I know I posted a video, I think a couple of days ago, of my new sort of restaurant that I opened, but it's not really a restaurant that's open. I just registered it and I did a little promo and I posted it, and I hope everyone, well, I wanted to see what you guys thought. So far, one person, or two people actually responded saying that they liked the idea and it was good. So guys, please go watch that. I think it's less than 40 seconds. I said less than 40 seconds of making jollof or something. Please have a look, go watch it and put in the comment section. Tell me if the video is something that looks good. It's not for the channel, it's just for me to know how much people actually enjoy it, right? So guys, thanks again for your continuous support. Please do that so I know if it's nice or not, then I can actually change it, right? So let's go to the ending of this whole thing. Guys, remember, if you love the content of the channel, right, please click on the like button, subscribe button, and bell button for future notifications. And guys, if you want to learn Twi quicker, right, please go to Google Store. Please download the Twi Junior Pro app. With that and these lessons, you learn Twi quicker. And remember, guys, as always, please let anyone who wants to learn Twi or wants to find out what Twi is about come to this channel. Hopefully, if they watch it, any of the videos, and they like the content, they might actually join the family. Guys, thoughts of love from me, Kwesi. Bye.